Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own taxes. First, gather all necessary documents. This includes income statements like your W-2 and any Form 1099s you received. Also, collect records for potential deductions, such as mortgage interest statements or student loan interest forms. Having everything organized upfront makes the process much smoother and helps prevent errors. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to file. Many people opt for tax software, which guides you step by step and performs calculations automatically. There are various free and paid options available, depending on your income and the complexity of your tax situation. Alternatively, you can download and complete the official IRS forms yourself, though this requires more attention to detail. Once you've chosen your method, it's time to enter your information. Input all your income details from your W-2s and 1099, along with any deductions or credits you qualify for. The software will then calculate your tax liability or refund. Before submitting, take your time to carefully review every section. Double-checking ensures accuracy and helps avoid potential issues with the IRS. Finally, it's time to file your return. Most people file electronically, which is fast and secure. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them by the deadline to avoid penalties. After filing, it's crucial to keep copies of your completed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. This record keeping is important for future reference or if you ever need to respond to an IRS inquiry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.